Okay, Chapter 12, Mastery Problem. On page 298 of your textbook, at the top it says, the journal and the ledgers for Aqua Pools, a swimming pool company, are provided. We are to post the separate items from the general debit and credit columns, as well as all of the customer and vendor accounts that we come across. And then when we're done, we're going to go to the bottom of the journal page and post all of the column totals to the appropriate accounts. So this is going to take a while. My screencast is only a 15-minute, so I am going to work to get you started, and then you will complete this on your own and submit it for your grade for your problems for the chapter. And then you'll have the test, which will be the same type of activity for Friday. Okay, so let's get started. Each line item, general debit and credit columns, as we go down, we will, post. It looks like we have to post to everything but these, the T's, which should have an X in the post reference column to remind us that we don't post those. So let's start. Rent expense, $1,500. So we're going to jump over to our general ledger. That's where we'll find our general things. So we're going to go down. It should be in alphabetical order. Rent was the first. It was from page, I have to jump around here. It's not the first, it's the second, but it was page 20. Sorry, that should be the second. Page 20, and it was a debit of $1,500. Add that to the existing balance. And then 6160 is the account number. I'm going to try to go fast here because this is going to take a while. Utilities expense, also the second, 20760. Second, page 20, 20760. So to add that, I'm going to put a formula in there. And then the account number 6190 goes back in the journal. Don't forget always that fifth step. All right, here's one that goes to AquaCare. Now, AquaCare is, we purchase from them, so they're one of our vendors. So this amount of 136320 will go in the subsidiary ledger. So the date is the 3rd, and again, it's 136320. So we're going to go to the subsidiary ledger for our accounts payable. Ooh, I need to widen my... Okay, so that was AquaCare, right? Oh my gosh, my memory is gonna... Yeah, AquaCare. AP ledger. Okay, so the date was the 3rd, and we purchased from them. So that would be a credit, 136320. This we're going to add to, so we're going to put a formula in there to add it. There we go. And then it's 210. Okay, next one. We're writing a check, so we're paying one of our vendors. And the check is for 2382. So we're going to go back to the accounts payable. Still one of our vendors. Custom Pool Supply. Here it is. The date was the 4th from page 20. Now when we pay them, it's a debit to the account. So 2382 of a debit. We owed them that much, so our new balance is 0. So they're paid off for now till we buy from them again. Oops. And their number is 220. So we're going to put 220 in the post-reference column. Next one looks like a customer, Cheryl Blackman. She sent us a check for $546.96, and the date on that is the 5th. So we're going to go to the AR ledger. We're going to find Cheryl Blackman up here at the top. The date was the 5th, page 20. She sent us money, so we debited cash. We would be crediting her account, and it looks like she paid us in full. So that's $546.96, which makes her new balance 0. And you can see when we put in a 0, we just get a dash, which is fine. 110 is her customer number, so we put that in the post-reference column. All right, here's the sale. We made a sale to John Falk, another one of our customers. The date is the 6th, and the total amount of the sale with tax is $915.84. So we want to go to the accounts receivable ledger, find John Falk. The date is the 6th. It's page 20. So if we sold something to him, we would debit his account. 691584. I hope that's right. 691584. Let's check. 91584. Where did I get the 6 from? Oh, because it was on the date of the 6th. Sorry about that. I'm going to get rid of that 6 up there. 91584. Okay. Add that into what he already owes us from a previous sale. And there's his new balance. 120 is his customer number, so we put 120 in the post-reference column. All right, guys, we're going to stop there. I'm going to show you how to do some of the columns, but for right now, I'm just going to pause it and then get ready to show you how to do some of the column totals. Okay, so I jumped back down here to the bottom. Now, when you're completely finished all the way to the end of your journal, and you've posted all of your columns, you will have account numbers in all of these columns. You can then put check marks or X's in parentheses under your general debit and general credit columns. That just says done. You've posted everything individually. Now you're going to go and you're going to start posting these totals. So you would go to the accounts receivable account, which would be in your general ledger, because yes, you've posted to each individual customer account, but now you need to post these totals in the actual general ledger accounts. So you would go to your general ledger, find accounts receivable, which should be up at the top with your assets. The date was the 30th of the month, and this information was from page 20, and you had a debit of $2,537.64, and you had a credit on the same date of $3,339. So you would first start by adding your debit in to this plus this, and then you would subtract from this. This would be this minus your credit to give you your new balance. So all these customers paid you off in the month because they're net due in 30 days, but then you have some new sales, so that's your new sales balance. 1130 is the account number. That's going to go in parentheses underneath the accounts receivable debit column and under the accounts receivable credit column. Now those are formatted for numbers. We wouldn't want to change that from accounting to just a number. Oops, nope, didn't like that either. Let's try general. Still didn't like it. You know why? We have to put that quotation mark because parentheses in numbers indicate negative balance. So we got to get that parenthesis in there. Then I had tried to center them. Oh, that just looks better. Okay, so that's what you want to do for each of the column totals. You want to post it in the general ledger and then put the account number in parentheses underneath. Posting's time consuming, which is a great reason why in most accounting programs now, or all accounting programs, it is an automated feature, but it is a necessity for sure. So take the time, do the work, get the good grades, and then go outside and have fun, or do whatever you want to do for fun.